Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new fish called Pirate Dreadfin in the latest Fish It update. This fish looks like this. Like this. It looks like this. It has a light blue color and it's wearing a pirate hat like this. In my opinion, it looks really cool but also cute like this. And this fish is an epic rarity fish. So to get this fish, you need to go to Pirate Cove, or you can also fish it on the pirate treasure room like this. Just go there and then just fishing on there. And for your equipment, you don't need the best setup, but make sure you use at least a medium level rod and bait, because better gear will always help increase your chance. And okay, maybe that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!